Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a shortcut to AutoSum. Let's get started. AutoSum is a quick and easy way to add multiple values, and it can be used by anyone, even if you are a beginner in Excel. There is an AutoSum command in the Start menu, but I'm going to show you a keyboard shortcut that makes it even faster. First, select the cells where you want the sum to appear. And then on the keyboard, press Alt equals. So I am holding down the Alt key and pressing the equal sign. A sum function will be added to the cell, and it will also automatically select the adjacent cells to use in the sum function. All we have to do now is press Enter, and our totals will appear. Another way to use AutoSum is to select the values you want to add. When you use this method, Excel will put the total in the cell immediately after its selection. So we're going to use our key combination again, Alt equals. And there are the totals. This key combination makes things a little faster. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.